Hello, and welcome to this edition. And today with Sofia, and we got some slime here. It's color slime. It's color slime. Even so we make lots of slime, and even make a video of really. And even I know how to put it like a ball, like this. And that's how we do it with this beautiful slime. And try and you itch it, and then we put in a dog, and here's a dog. And then you make it to a wiggly gem. Wiggly. Get past it. Then we make it to Elsa. We make it to Elsa. Candlelight, shoe lotions. It looks like I'm the queen. It's power for reaching. It's swirling so beside. Couldn't keep it. I don't know why. Try. Be the good girl you always have to be. Can see or don't feel. Don't let them know. Don't let them go. Let it go. Let it go. Can't come back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. You never see me cry. Won't everybody be anyway? Tail. Next, action. We have a new song. Action. When we slime. And it's cool. Then do it in this big slime. Ooh. Big slime is perfect with this poopa. Poof. We put Elsa on here, just in case, and then we put this big piece on here. Oh my god. And the bird like a wooden hand, and then we do it like this, and then we cut slice, and then we cut it to the judges. And here you go, Sofia, and here you go, John. Then open it up, then crush it. Oh yeah. Then we add it like this. Just stretch it like this all the way, like all the way. And then we do this. We might cross the fella. Look at the body. I look like the queen. It's like a bottle. The cutter. Another. Because of what is it? Sakala, da can make a break the jar. Hazaras, hazaras, a Wow, slime, I love it. I do like this. Good, it's done. Let's turn the other side. Away, 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 away. Whew. Take it off all the same time. Can we make it up? There we cheese. Next, we put it right in the stove. In the stove too. Then we put some more in here. Okay, next we put this on here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Then you put some more in the oven. It's some 20 minutes. And then you do some more. And you put it back in the oven. Back in the oven. We do this. Then we put this in the oven too. Then put some more. Then put it back in the oven. Do some more. And then put it back in the oven. Wait 20 minutes. Now it's ready. Now it goes in again in the oven. And then just roll it out first. We flip it over. And then to flip it over again. Then we wash this. We cut the string. We cut the string. Good, we cut the string. And even only cut another chicken string. Oh yeah. Okay, we just put the seed here. And then we do another one. Inside here, and it's goopy. So we need some more.